Hi, you guys. This is ASMR. Well, not really ASMR because my dad's sleeping, but snores. It's so annoying. I love it so much.
Police collected the pieces of glass and plastic
I'm gonna ask him in his stream. So why are you streaming about? Why are you streaming about? I'm talking to you in your dreams. He's streaming about tacos.